Here I will share with you my art journey. I don't want just to show you how I create because obviously I realize that the image speaks by himself, but I want to share the story behind my project. I want to share with you tips and tricks. So if you have any question, remember to let some word for me in the comment. I'm Cleo and welcome to my channel. So let's begin. Let me share a part of the story behind this project. This will be a stone carved cup decorated with two guardian angels, witness of a bygone era, and some intricate design. This angel and the design will be obviously aged. Kinsman craves the island gold. Each night chased and watched them fall. First, I will create and attach the cherubims and the design. Only after that, I will create the stone effect. If you ask yourself why first I attach the design, the cherubims, and the other element, and only after that I will create the stone effect, this is because I want the effect that everything was first carved in stone, and only after that the cherubims and the design was gilded. If you want to create effect that design was attached and not carved in stone originally, you just need to create first the stone effect and after that to attach the design. I will show you in another project how I create the effect that the decorating elements are made in metal and not carved in stone and gilded. It's a very different effect, very important for the final touch of the project. In my opinion, the value of an art piece it's not given only by the material that you use, but first of all, how you use that material, especially the value is given by the details. Kinsman craves the island gold. Each night chased and watched them fall. Young men's rain will turn to storm. I split this project in two parts. First part is where I decorate this beautiful cup, and the second one will be how I paint, and I will give the final touch of this cup. Let me please in the comments a good idea. Why I like so much the stone effect is because for me it's a symbol of resilience. And also the stone in nature have so many variations, so many colors, so many textures. Sometimes I look at the old stone on the old walls. It's so beautiful, and if you look close, each stone it's different structure, color. The nature reclaim it different, and for me this is like like a symphony. Remember to let me your feedback in the comment. Your opinion is very valuable for me, especially now at the beginning of my journey here on YouTube. If If you are curious how I decide to paint this cup and also what will be my future projects, take in consideration to subscribe.
Kingsman crazy, I let go.
See you in the next one.
Each night chase much to